4 marks non-calculator question. This is Cambridge 0580. Let's do this question. The question says expand and simplify. You can pause the video if you want to try it. So what I will do here is I'll do FOIL. So I'll multiply 2 times 1 first, which is 2. And then I'll multiply 2 times negative 3 root 5. So 2 times 3 is 6, so I'll just write negative 6 root 5. We finished with the 2. Now we multiply the root 5. So root 5 times 1 is just root 5. Why did I put a negative sign here? Because it was negative there. And now minus root 5 times minus 3 root 5. Since it's negative, so this will be positive here. And then root 5 times 3 root 5. From now on, root 5 times root 5 is just 5. You would just get rid of this root. And then times 3, so it's 15. So this is plus 15. Did you get that? So from now on, if you have root 9 times root 9 is just 9. Root 100 times root 100 is 100. Okay. Now let's combine like terms. Let's make it look nice. So this is equals to 2 and 15 look alike, so it's 17. And then minus 6 root 5 minus root 5 is minus 7 root 5. Why? I'll think of it like a banana. So it's minus 6 bananas and then minus 1 banana. So it's minus 7 bananas. That's why it's minus 7 root 5. Can you do anything else here? Nope. So that's your answer. That's 2 marks. Now let's get the other 2 marks. The question says rationalize the denominator. This is a very good question. Let's do it. Let's first write 6 over root 10 here. Whenever the question says rationalize the denominator, you just multiply and divide by that. So we multiply by root 10 and divide by root 10. And just like I mentioned, 6 times root 10 is just 6 root 10. And we did in the previous question, root 10 times root 10, we know now it's just 10. And then we can reduce 6 and 10 can be divided by 2, right? 6 divided by 2 is 3. 10 divided by 2 is 5. And we can't do anything to root 10, so let's just let it rest. And that's the 4 marks. How was it? Was it fun? Was it easy?